Are you a big girl? Are you a big girl? Yeah, those are your dirty clothes. All right, can you show Mommy how you get down off the couch like a big girl? Show Mommy. On your belly, feet first. On your belly, feet first. Come on. On your belly. Feet first. Feet first. No, don't play with the dirty clothes. Come on, Audrey. No. All right, on your belly, feet first. Come on, get down like a big girl. Show Mommy. Are you going to bring Mr. Bunny? Oh, poor Mr. Bunny. On your belly, Audrey. Feet first. On your belly, feet first. You know how to do it. Good girl. Here she goes. Yay, Audrey. Good girl.